Nothing gets the party going like a piñata. It's colorful, it's chaotic, and the perfect party accessory. But my first guest will turn this classic party supply into something even sweeter, a personal-sized piñata. It's a cute, crafty, and totally doable DIY, and all it takes is a little dig in the recycling bin. Crafter Emily Price will show us how to make a mini piñata. Hi, Emily. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Whenever you're here, I get inspired. So I'm so excited to learn about this. Okay, because this is, of course, a fun party thing, but you think giftable too.
Yes, it is so giftable and so fun, especially for all ages. Like, what person would not enjoy getting like a fun little piñata stuffed?
Anyone would love that.
Yes.
Okay, so talk to me about, to get started, what are our supplies?
Okay, so I use whatever I can find around my house.
This is where the recycling bin comes in.
Yes, so cereal boxes, this is graham cracker, whatever, you kind of want it, not like an Amazon box, you want like
something
a flimsy.
foldable, okay.
So you can print out a template or freehand it. All of mine, like this is freehanded, this is freehanded. And so you're just gonna draw it on and cut out two. And then,
simple shapes.
Yes.
Okay, and we're getting this. Let's just talk about supplies first. So we're getting this. We're getting tissue paper.
Tissue paper.
You use hot glue? Okay.
Tape of any kind, pretty much, packing tape, duct tape, and then scissors.
And then stuff to stick in it, right?
Yes, and stuff to stick in it, of course.
Okay, so which type are we making with this?
This is just a little circle.
A circle, okay.
And so I just cut strips out of the cardboard and I have my circle started. And all you have to do is tape onto the cardboard and then just wrap it around.
And duct tape works best, you found?
Duct tape, packing tape.
Anything like
whatever
that.
you have, honestly.
And this is just kind of how you get started.
Yes.
This is the base.
Yep, this is the base. So here I have the circle and then I would put my top on and tape again. So that is basically the shape of our piñata.
Okay.
And then I've already started this one, but all I do is fold some tissue paper strips in half like this, and then I'm going to cut it so I end up with something like this.
Okay.
And then I'll have you cut some fringe into it.
Okay, I was gonna say, and I'm sure we gotta make sure we don't cut through,
Don't cut
obviously.
through, and you can make them as big or as small, whatever you wanna do.
And I've seen you can buy this in the store, but if you just already have tissue at home, why not?
Yes, you can totally buy this, but this is way more fun and way more like personable and just custom. So, and that's good. You don't have to
easy.
keep
Okay.
But so then to start, I just start with my hot glue gun, and you can see this isn't like perfect. I just like take my glue.
Okay, but this obviously isn't the base of the taco. So what would this shape be the base of?
That would just be like a smiley face or a circle.
Smiley face, anything.
It could be even a mini cake.
Okay.
So honestly, whatever you want to do.
You're just showing us an option. Okay.
An option.
Okay, so the taco, you get to choose the colors.
Yes. So this one I turned into like a little watermelon.
I was thinking taco.
That's okay.
It could be anything.
Yes, it really could. Totally anything you wanted it to be. So, and then I'm just gonna, at the end, trim all this up.
And so you're just gluing along this little fold.
Yep.
Okay.
And I'll just go
layering.
over and over and layer it. And you wanna start bottom to top.
And then do you just trim?
Yeah.
The excess. Okay,
You just
easy.
give a little haircut. And then, if you don't wanna go through all this trouble, I always find boxes like this, and this is just like from Dollar Tree,
and then you can just
make,
cover it.
Yes.
Oh, easy. How are you using like an X-Acto knife? What have you found the easiest way to make an opening?
I will use an X-Acto knife or a kitchen knife. I'm not use an X-Acto knife. Use a sharp object, not a kitchen knife. But yeah, so then I just like cut whatever opening, and you want it to be kind of, not like super big, but I like this size. And then you can, if it breaks, it's okay. If you like poke a little hole, it's okay.
And you've made so many different shapes here. Tell me which, and I do see a price tag on this one. So some of these are purchased. Which ones did you fashion?
So all those ones are purchased.
These ones, okay.
This one I made.
Okay,
and I think this would be so cute for a teacher gift.
Yes, the pencil and with your little hole right there.
So stuff it with your teacher's favorite things, some candy, a gift card. I just think it'd be so cute for a teacher, so.
I love it. Okay, so what do you recommend we're filling these with?
You can fill it with honestly anything. The teacher gift, like pencils, you know, their favorite thing. For a birthday though, how fun would this be? Like if you put a little gift card in here.
Oh, and you put a string.
And you put a string. So I'm doing a gift card. I would also fill it with candy. And just to like stuff it up. But if I were giving something to like my girlfriend, I would do lip gloss, earrings if they like it, all their like favorite little things, and then they can just tear into it.
Okay, how are you putting instructions with this, or are you just saying, take at it with a baseball bat?
So on this one, I put pull me.
Pull me,
so
okay.
they can kind of see like, oh, there's something in there, like get it out.
Yeah.
But honestly, whatever they want to do. If they want to destroy it, great. I would.
They might want to keep it.
Yes, they might. So like, I would hope they see like some type of opening in all of them and think, oh, like dig in right there.
And I was saying, I mean, I'm always looking for creative ways to give money because I think money's so
Yes.
boring. How fun to do a piñata full of money.
Especially if you did like
$1
low
bills.
Yes.
Yes.
That would be so fun.
Oh my gosh. Okay, where can we find you for more great ideas? They're always great, all of your
Thank you.
ideas.
I'm on Instagram. It's EMB Price. MB Price.
Okay, MB Price, thanks for this fun idea. I was like,
Thank you.
can I pull this together for my kid's birthday on Saturday? We'll have to see.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.